This is your again the same chapter of work by energy, and there is a physics period number second, and I'm Balram Tiwari, your physics teacher of class 11. Now we are going to discuss the numerical problems. Numerical problems. Okay. Now the first question is what? A man weighing 80 kgf carrying a stone of weight 20 kgf means what is the weight of man? W of man we can call a 80 kgf, and what the W of a stone is? Weight of stone is 20 kgf. So now to the top of a building 30 meter high. Calculate the work done by him. So we have to find the work done. So what the work done is? The formula of work done is force into displacement. So the boy is on the top. It means the stone will cover the distance of 30 meters. So firstly, what find the value of the total force. So what the total force is Ma. Here the man is on the top of a building and the stone will fall under the gravity. So what the force become? Force become mg. What the mass total? 80 plus 20. And what the g is? 9.8. So what total F become? That becomes 100 into 9.8. That. So what total F become? 980 newtons. This is the total force. What? This is the total force. What the work done is? Force into displacement. So work done is force is 980 newton, and what the distance is? Already I had underlined, that is 30 meters. So what the work done become? This 00, 9 8s are 24, and this is what we can call it 27 and 29. It means 29,400 Newton meter. So what the work become? Work become 29,400 Joule. This is the total work done by a man to just carry a stone on the top of the building and just put the stone at the ground. This is what we can total work done. Now, don't be confused. This F is we can call a force. 80 kg of force, 20 kg of force. There's nothing we can call for the value of G, 9.8. Now, second question is what? A bullet weighing of 10 grams is fired with a velocity of 800 meter per second. Means this is the initial velocity. Yes or no? After passing through a mud ball 1 meter thick, the velocity decreases to 100. Find the average resistance offered by the mud. Now resistance means force. Now resistance means force. Means कितना wall उस bullet को oppose कर रही. Oppose. Resistance means what? Opposing force. Opposing force. So what the resistance offered by mud wall will be changed in the velocity energy also. Resistance means opposing, and what the opposing physics called? Minus of work done is Fs, and half of m v square is half of m u square. So this is in the gram. Okay. So now what? That become F. What the F is? 1 meter wall. equals half. M taken as common, that becomes V is what? 100, and what the U is what? Increasing. This is called now negative sign here. So what the F become? Negative sign transfer here. So 1 by 2, 1 is here, and what the weight of the bullet is? 10 gram is converted to kg, 1000. Sign transfer, the sign will change. That becomes 64 minus of 2, 3, 4. Cut this now. So what the F become? 1 by 2, 1 by 100 into this what? 0, 0, 0, 0. That becomes 63. Write out. Cut it down 2 zeros and cut by 2. So what the F become? 2, 3 are 6, 2 1s are 5 and 0. The force is Newton. So this is the force offered by the mud ball to the bullet. That also opposing force also decreases the value of the velocity. Okay, look at this question. Now, this is our third question. Is what? A body of mass m initially at rest. What does initial means? U0. It accelerates uniformly v1 at time t1. What the mass is m and what the velocity means v is v1. So apply this what? V equals to u plus at. So what the v is? v1, u is 0, a into what the t is t1. So what the a become? A become v1 by t. What the force is? Force is become ma. So what this m is? A is what? v1 by t1. This is a force. Next. Find the expression for the instantaneous force delivered to the body as a function of time. A function of time. The force has become m v1 t1. And what the power? What the formula of power is? The rate of doing work. And what the power is? Force in displacement upon t. And what the s by t is? That is f v. Okay. Now, force into velocity. Now we will find the expression for instantaneous power as a function of time. Now we can find, so let v be the velocity at instant time t. So what? That is v equals to u plus at. So what does v become? U is 0 and a is nothing. What is a is? v1 by t1 into t. So what does v become? v1 t by t1. So what the formula of power is? Power is Fv. So now, what the force is? M v1 upon t1 into. What the v is? v1 t upon t1. So what the power become? M v1 square t upon t1 square. This is the what you can call power. There is a power delivered at the time t. Okay. By this way we can solve the question on 3. These are very important questions. Okay. Note down this in your class work copy. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask in the doubt group. Thank you, class.